Hey everybody and welcome to Beauty for the Win. I want to do a swatch tutorial of the Nars iconic best-selling bronzer and their best-selling blush. The blush is called Orgasm blush. The bronzer is called Laguna bronzing powder. So I'll be using my mermaid brush for this one. One side will be the blush and one side will be the bronzer, okay? So we'll start off with the blush here. I'm going to do my cheekbones just as I would with a highlighter. When you look at the color, you think that it's going to be really bright pink, but it's actually a beautiful blush that anyone can wear. Like even if you're a bronzer girl like me, this is the type of blush that I would totally wear because it does have that gold shimmer to it. I'm not a big fan of blushes, but I can see why this is definitely the #1 seller. So next up is the bronzer. This is a straight up brown bronzing bronzer, which I do like. Not a lot of shimmer to it. It's not a highlighter, so I'm not really expecting it to. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and I'll see you guys soon.